we are going to be powered by Roma batteries, and this particular battery we've got is the 460 amp hour, which I think is one of the biggest they do. But we need power. Maximus loves all his devices. He wouldn't be without them. I know the purists will be appalled at 460 amp hour, which is enough to run a small house, because it's about getting away and being out in your van. And if it was just Shell and I, that would probably be the case, wouldn't it? But with Maximus as well, he likes all his devices, and we've got to have power. So we have a Roma battery. I'm going to open it. Shiny little envelope and some bolts, and then some packaging. We've got the certificate, which has got its serial number on and its tests. So that's what it looks like inside the box. And there's the certificate and the little bits and bobs. I'm going to lift it out. It's very well packaged. Oh, crikey, I don't think I can lift it out. I think I'm going to have to lift it down and lift it up. Oh. It weighs a little bit. 38 kilo. A bag and a half of cement. So, there we are. We're taped up here at the back. Whew. There we go, its handles. Oh my goodness. Get off. There we go. So there it is. The journey to this battery began about 3 years ago when I started researching lithium ion batteries, and in particular lithium ion phosphate. The original plan was to build our own, and we did actually do a lot of research into the Chinese market and found a supplier, and we were going to actually get several cells shipped over and build our own 520 amp hour battery. In the end, we wanted someone based in the UK, so we started researching companies and came across Roma. We contacted them and it went from there. So that's it. We are powered by Roma. 460 amp hour of lithium ion phosphate battery, 10-year guarantee, a UK company, and they are based over in Leeds. We can talk to them whenever we want, and yeah, they've been really good. So there's a link in the description below to Roma if you want to take a look. So yeah, it's the beating heart of the electrical system in our van, and it will allow us to be on the road for days at a time without having to charge up or do anything. The full electrical system, I think I've hinted at that before, but I'll go into that in another video. But this was just to talk about why we went with Roma and why we now have a Roma battery that is going to be powering all our electrical system. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care. Speak to you next time. Bye for now.
Bye.